So before we continue to our lesson to actually understand what the function and how the ribosomes actually work in the process of translation, I would like to quickly explain the difference between eukaryotic ribosomes and prokaryotic ribosomes. So we have mainly two main things that you need to remember for the IMAT and BMAT exams when it comes to the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic ribosomes. Each structure that we are going to study is very complicated. You can dive into so many levels and study the structures in so many levels. But for the IMAT and BMAT exam, it's very low yield to start to analyze the structure of different ribosomes and proteins, because you just need to understand the function and some specific high yield points about the following structures. So when it comes to ribosomes, what you need to study and learn about is the size of the subunits and the overall size of the ribosome. So for prokaryotic ribosomes, we have overall the size will be 70S, and S stands for something called Svedbergs, and Svedbergs are units basically to calculate how fast something is moving inside a centrifuge. You will see it in the future when we talk about physics, but it also right now remember that the bigger the molecule, the bigger the number you will see here. So don't worry about it. So we have 70S overall, and this is a number you need to remember for the exams. It's very high yield. So everything I say in this video is very high yield for the exam. The big subunit will be 50S and the small subunit will be 30S. Overall, 50 plus 30 will give you 70. I know it's weird, but remember it. How I remember it is 30, 50, 70 are non-even numbers. This is how I remember it. So 3, 5, 7. Now eukaryotic cells are even numbers. They have 60 subunit, they have 40 subunit, and overall they have 80 ribosomal size. This is how I remember it. It's 40, 60, 80 even numbers. And this is what you need to remember. Now in the next video we are going to see how the subunits are going to attach to the mRNA and how they are going to do the process itself for translation. I will see you next time, and I hope this video made sense.